Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the SZD S590 mid-ATX gaming PC case. Let's see if it's truly a game changer in the world of PC building. I'm your host from UK Pro Reviewer, and without further ado, let's get into it. The SZD S590 is making waves with its sleek design and impressive features. Let's break it down. First off, the design. The S590 boasts seamless glass panels on the front and side, offering an unobstructed view of your PC components. It's like a window into your gaming rig's soul. Now, let's talk compatibility. This case supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, making it versatile for various builds. Plus, it can accommodate GPUs up to 410mm, CPU cooling heights up to 165mm, and PSUs up to 240mm. But what sets the S590 apart is its dual-chamber design. By separating cables, storage, and PSU from other components, it maximizes airflow to the GPU, ensuring optimal cooling and performance. Now, let's talk cooling. This case is a dream for cooling enthusiasts. With support for radiators up to 360mm and space for up to 10,120mm fans or 6,140mm fans plus 1,120mm fan, you can keep your system running cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. Of course, we can't forget about cable management. The S590 prioritizes clean cable routing with ample space behind the motherboard tray. Say goodbye to tangled cables and hello to improved aesthetics and airflow. And let's not overlook the magnetic strip dust filters on the top and bottom, keeping your components dust-free and your system running smoothly. In summary, the SZD S590 mid-ATX gaming PC case offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a PC building enthusiast, this case has something for everyone. That wraps up our in-depth review of the SZD S590 mid-ATX gaming PC case. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content from UK Pro Reviewer. Until next time, happy gaming!